Hi, Hal. So today we discuss one of the best topic about the YouTube channel uploading video. So this video after monetization, what are the options will be majorly missing for YouTubers when uploading video time? One thing, any YouTubers they using will be two tools. One is the vidIQ toolbar, second will be TubeMate. So any tool will be very useful. One is the score purpose. Second will be how many subscriber, how many views will be getting on your particular channel purpose. Now this one, we discuss about the properly video upload after monetization. So a lot of people is worried about that. Recently asking so many people question, sir, I have not enabled to content ID. So there is a depend on only for channel, which is selecting for MCN, CMS channel and AdSense content ID. So this content ID only valid for who will be taking for CMS, means MCN channel. There's a different. That video will be uploaded within soon time. Will upload by the tomorrow, day after tomorrow. You can check it out. Now we can uploading video format. Before uploading any video, in the setting, the uploading format, where into YouTube Studio, you can go to setting here, upload default, content, everything is there. Visibility always we have to show will be unlisted. This compulsory keep it on mind. Visibility already will be given by the unlisted. Suppose you can fix one tags, your channel tags. There is every video common tags. Save here. Now click for upload here. Exactly where you are uploading video, just you can drag this video and crop it. So image will be designed with your Canva. So Photoshop, CorelDRAW, so many options are there. Nothing to worry about that. Is one of the simple option will be here. That is called will be Canva option. Yeah, recently one more website is coming to market also. I'll show the market, the website name here. This is the one more website, Trello. We can same design will be here. How much free? We can utilize the free option will be here. This will be design, videos, image, everything will be suitable. Okay. Now here will be image will be designed properly. After this one, uploading time. So what are the title you mentioned? We can use the pipe symbol. People using iPhone or pipe symbol, both will be eligible. So here, in this, so what are the hashtag will be used? Use the hashtags. Google Search Console. Search Console. Insights. So three hashtag we can use in the particular description. Add your thumbnail based on your requirement. Thumbnail will be 1280 by 720 pixel. 1280 into 720 pixel. Next will be add your playlist option. Playlist will be what are the option will be used here in this. Here will be using the playlist option. So here will be click for create. In this, what are the option will be here? Add the playlist option. I'm adding one by one playlist here. Add your playlist. So playlist very neat performance. What are the content you will be adding on the particular website? That particular playlist also will be very helpful. So in this here, add the keywords. Next will be what are the you are adding here in the particular SEO title. Same will be using the keyword compulsory important. The keyword adding, the score will be increased here, your particular option. The score will be given by the vidIQ toolbar. They're given by the vidIQ toolbar. Just we can go to simple option vidIQ. VIDIQ is one of the website. Just you sign up and use the toolbar. Extension will be available and install it. Log in the particular in this VIDIQ toolbar. So here, okay. We can use here. Keywords are most important. We can use the long tail and short tail keywords. What are the keyword you can use? This is the most important for the users. So I'm adding keyword here. I'll use the score. So add the keyword. Final will be best of 50. Your score will be 46. After that, don't forget your recording date. This is a more important on your particular things. This is a video language, everything, video location. You have can promote any specific location, add your specific location here. Next, click for category option. After click for next, these are very important. Your monetization will be all countries. One more thing is called content enable. This content is nothing but anybody using your video another channel, immediately you get the strike when you enable this feature. You should only turn on content ID matching on video when you have exclusive rights. Suppose this will be your own video, nobody can use. So that is the purpose we can enable by content ID option. So you're approved. Click for next. These are the very important. What are the ad you are flexible? This will be here. Second thing is called when you coming to mid-roll option, the video will be less than 8 minutes, they will be disabled. More than 8 minutes, they will be enable this option. Nothing but in between the minutes, you can place the ads on the particular video option. Go to next option. These are the very important ad suitability. Nothing but any inappropriate language, adult content, violence, shocking, harmful. If anything is there, we can add it. If nothing is there, none of the above, click for submit your rating. It is okay. They will accept your checking. Checking complete, no issues found. Nothing but your content will be safe. Now click for next. Here, you can add your subtitle option will be here. Add subtitle. These are the upload, auto synchronization. Click for done. After this one, add your end screen. End screen will accepted by the latest video uploading and subscribe option and your particular. End screen will be 4 and cards will be adding 5. 5 nothing but add the video or you can add your playlist. Anything will be possible. So most of the people adding the playlist option. What a playlist purpose? We can increase the more videos on the particular playlist option. So that is the most of the people is running for playlist option. So you can running the playlist here and you're getting the more traffic on the particular videos. So what are the videos you are posting? End screen playlist compulsory important. End screen will be 4, playlist will be on the particular keyword and cards will be 5. 5 you can use a video and a playlist also. Any video uploading unlisted option. After save unlisted, we have to go with the option name is after 5 minutes, it will go with the schedule and the post or public the with the premier option. Anything will be get here. So we can go to this particular video, select here, a public, set up the instant premium. Premium thing but live. Members only. This video only for channel member purpose. All language, this is the member purpose. So here is the public, set as a premier, click for publish. Schedule, particular time, particular date, along with the premier option. Now I can go with the public with the set of the premier. So what are the patterns we follow when uploading video? Proper title, description, keyword, playlist, your category, recording date, and particular content ID enability if is available, or else AdSense user that option will be not valid from the content ID option. And proper end screen, proper cards will be upload, and finally the video will upload will be unlisted mode. After 5 minutes, go with the public with the premier, schedule with the premier option, members only, select here member, choose basic level and higher level in this. So now I go with the public with the start instant premier, click for publish. So now video will be going to publish with the Facebook. How it using for Facebook Premiere? Same will be using for YouTube Premiere with the recorded video. We'll upload it. That is going to publish will be with the Facebook live chat with the live Premiere option. So this is a video uploading pattern will be followed by every YouTubers. Major thing is called don't forget playlist, your tags, most important by your particular video option. If any particular doubts, you can ask me to my channel. I'm always supporting for YouTube channel, how we can upload it. I definitely will be support you. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.